Word now. Every minute, people are class me all over the world. Them a tell me what I for do. I for take back what I do. I should do that. That don't make no sense. Right now. Yeah. Right now, me I keep on party. More I fix the yellow teeth them for them come white. So when I come spending the money and start mind me. I go get out my merchandise them for to start buying a little t-shirt and a little cup. When you can't just live for me and suck up my silver ticks. I don't know put back in nothing. I don't need to start mind me. Buy me one chair. I have an old chair in my room where I want to get out from long time. I don't buy me one chair. I see one shoes at town for 600. Here about town at West End. It's for 690 pounds. Buy me one shoes. I want the handbag with it as well. Understand? I not curtain. I have no comment. My bad. I skip tomorrow and say crazy. You can't make Instagram, bro. This great. This is fake. Everybody pan this. But my reason we don't know. I'm the only body in God earth right now. We don't have 2 page. We don't have 2 page, 3 page, 4 page, 5 page. So now Shane, on Ken, on Barbie, on Ross. So it's so much different characters. So here we go now. You see the whole on the spiritual warfare with me on upon the internet, you know. Wanna suck me up, mind me. Then you see the one that will give me the strength and the power will stand by me and loyal to me now with my strength. It says I fight, so now top me so pam, and I'm gonna say pop, pop, pop. On the top me again, I'm gonna say pop, 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 pop. And on the top me I'm gonna blah, 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 blah. That's how I go on this. So here we go now. Me I'm my own brand, I'm my own label, I'm me say crazy. Pay me. Because you know, find it so easy to tell me about my life and it still not change me. So since I was in a situation you cannot change me, just pay me. You understand? Pay me for my talent, my craziness, my boldness, my realness. You know how much girls me talk for? Me, Queenie. What uno shame her? Me not shame of myself, but proud of myself. A lot of us are suffering in silence. I see the silence that we're go work. Me too old for work, girlfriend. Me have too much talent. You know, say me a movie star, super up the star, me a super duper star. Go work what? This is what I'm doing now. I'm working. I cannot sit into a 9 to 5 and work with anybody. Me is my own done, my own boss. Me is my own independent person. Me just lie down in my bed and say, hello, Queenie, you can't sing for my baby mother for me. How much I can pay me, madam? How much I charge the Queenie? Alright, give me a little 250 try you. What your baby mother name? Stacy. Hey, Stacy, it's a crazy queen representing for girl power. Your baby father just tell myself to tell the same love you. Stacy, can you and I be money that what kind of work you talk about, girl? I work right here, so now. Girl, when I come off of this right now, somebody gonna reach out to me. I can't wait for them book me. Ready? Yeah, me so I shoes for 690 pounds when I want to buy for your party. But if I not get the 690 pounds, I just wear my old black shoes and I'm full of talk about. Let me tell you about myself. I don't wear cheap shoes. You see, before I wear cheap shoes, I repeat my old shoes up over. I have over 100 odd designer shoes. I have Gucci, I have LV, I have Dior, I have Marc Jacobs, I have Fendi. I go show them my shoes collection and then I chat to me. I'm not idiot. What I'm doing? I'm see me like me care about material things. Every day this a piece of dirty. Every day it's like black. And the most comfortable things. Machine. I mean, I have to come show off an iPad. So me not about I've beer teach me have girl. I have some royal jewel too. I pay good money for. So any day I file real broke. I have some necklace, some Versace necklace and some Roberta Cavalli sitting with dashing there so chunky. I put them up on eBay, I no broke. So I not run down nothing. So I don't know who I talk to. I don't know sister my queen. Marc Jacobs, Michael Kors. I've got all the there too. I get a collection a bit of everything. Red bottom. Stick a woolly pop in there, man. What is wrong with you now? Barefoot, you don't see me run up and down cross Gang me lie down in a roll. For the camera got Bellevue. Cause say anybody care me I come to you know. Cause think me is when I go sit down now say me mother still listen to me. And some me know me a you know. You think me wanna say all about everything gonna say about me. When you think me Queenie, I gotta take up my phone, turn on my internet and watch somebody that I don't. That mean me I downgrade my blood clot self. Me. Why do you think me that's so easy? Me not listen to nothing when nobody say. Everybody call my phone and say, I don't want to hear. Me shut down, me shoot. Everybody call me a dance. Can them expect me to tell him say yes? And I said to God, me say me don't want nothing. It is what it is until it's not what it is. So telling the way I go on. Oh no. Explain why I go on. Come. I love buy ticket. I create a couple live. How much people over here? 2005. Yeah, man. And I'm going to say a different ride with this. You hear that? And I show. Wait for me because I don't have a clue what you're talking about. You don't call nobody name to me. You don't ask me a question, talk about me already. And talk about the party them want to pay me for and the odds and the hosting. And the dub them want me do. And the girl them want to say me just crazy right about now, never lazy for clean. Cash up, see that money they want to give me. Cash up up on my Instagram, right up on the top of my Instagram. So if you don't want to mind me, yeah man, I need to be beggy now. I don't need to start. Them disgrace what I'm going through. One not think. If I know where I right. So right now I smell good, my arms sweaty and think I just smell my arm. But the reason why the arm sweaty and stink is because my sweat run up and down and this man me never put on a roll on. But remember, me full of take out the talking and leave the whispering. Yes. So my all blood clot purpose. You see this arm where I kick now? Me just tap a half fly so. And get one lime and just cut the lime and rubber and eat that so. And you not smell nothing. So me have no reason now. All of the disrespect and the disgrace and the excitement when me create our own cream. Because me have a giant enterprise, you know. All of you we have anything for bad, me have in this giantly. You see all of me face, who want me mad, who want me dead, who want me go where or whatever. You know we're going to take out this fist slip now. I don't need to crown me properly. I don't wait for nobody. I don't need to crown me officially properly. For one of the strongest that come and God hurt me. My pitney dead. I want to see the little girl dead. I'm going to lose my head. Mad sick head nigga. Mad sick head nigga. Hey, mad sick head nigga. Mad sick. I can't take my energy. That's what I still not understand. This is priceless. So all when the fans them want and follow me, I'm going to lose fans. You have 1 million fans. Well, my natural energy is priceless. I've got many multiple personality. I just say yes and no, skip. And then you hear me say, wait! And then you hear me say, Queenie. Many multiple personality. You can't knock me down. You don't crown me. You don't forget some good organization. And crown me for be the speaker for the ladies. Yeah. Put me in some authority. Groove me. Show me son I know the word. I'm a wild and orthodox and no control me. I'm not idiot. Only for control me. When I send me gonna I'm here to go look anything me I look for my hear that. And that come off of my energy. So right now, I'm gonna stop undermine me. Crown me. I crown myself already, you know. I was a lady gangster and me keep my party named Queen Lady Gangster. No. We not get to no higher heads. I said, see that woman there? Johnny Sinister Espute Scarlet. Johnny Sinister Espute Scarlet. That lady needs to get more acknowledgement officially. Crown me. Put me in some organization to sit down and speak words of power, wisdom, knowledge, understanding. But you undermine just the bad words. You'll see the negative part. But you see the sweet, adorable part. There is sweetness. There is power. There is love. I am loving. Well, a white man tell me one time, say, I'm too trusting. I said, I am who I am. That's how God made me. I am very trusting. So I sit down and say, and get a chance. I wonder if you're going to rob my house, but I still get a chance to go in there and make you rob it. That's how much me stand firm in life. Yeah, you have to can't take losing. When I for crown official. My crown I have right now is a Dolce & Gabbana crown. I'm pay for 2,500 feet. 2,500 pounds my crown worth. Right now I need a crown for 20 blood. You can't mad me. All I want to say, oh, Queenie mad. Somebody go help Queenie. Jesus Christ. Not a thing no do me. Bad me, bad. No. Stop. Right now, somebody sign me. If them sign me, there's certain rules and that. Me not show me run my own show. Me have my own boss. Me have my own dads. Me make my own money. But when you not sign me now, I have to hold my dirty blood clot can and work and all that. So you come sign me. When I want to come off the internet, get one TV show put my pan. Put me in a something. Put me to use and don't waste my blood clot time. I waste nothing else. I waste my time, my good energy. I want to know. I hold it more people in the world want to know me, you know. And if I expand me more. You understand? Because God made me, so you can't break me. You can grudge me, but you can't judge me. Because I know some people, them love me. Self-love make me love me. Self-love. When me hear them chat, me say, oh God, Queenie, you nice. I'm so stupid. My mother over myself, literally. Oh, Queenie, look at your eyes. Queenie, nice. Other people have trouble. Yeah. But it's true, though. Yeah, but I don't want to face enough for sure. Say, listen. I can't study me. I can't plan me. I haven't got a clue of what you lot is talking about and what you lot is questioning me about. I just want you to see that I'm sexy and I'm wearing... Where my shoes are? Let me make a see my shoes. Me say, I'm going to wear up my shoes. I don't like me through that, please, driver. Thank you. Traffic blocking. Yeah, I'm up on my live. Danny Bless, what happened?